Hello everyone, in this video we're going to list the top 5 best drones under $200. I made the list based on my personal opinion and I tried to choose the best drones in this price range. The prices are under $200 at the time of making this video, so they might change over time. To see the most updated prices and find more information about these drones, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Force One U45W Blue Jay. This model is easy to use for beginners, with a VR headset compatibility allowing you to glance at live video feeds of the flight position from an iPhone or any Android smart mobile device. It comes in a box with already assembled blades, and the only thing you have to assemble are the blade guards and the landing gear with the included screwdriver. The unit itself is composed of a matte black plastic shell with a camera attached underneath. It also has an on and off switch, meaning that you have an already installed battery, so you just switch it on before your flight session. This drone includes Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to watch the live streaming video feed of your flight in a first-person view. Moreover, it has a headless mode feature that lets it fly without worrying about the way the actual drone's head facing. Also, the VR headset capability enables you to see the entire surrounding, giving you a real-life feeling. It performs really good, because with a custom route mode, you can fly your drone without assistance tracing the desired route on your mobile screen. The altitude hold is wonderful and allows your drone to hover in the air and control by itself without you having to do anything. Additional features are the button takeoff and landing, video recordings, LED lights for a night flight session, one button for 360-degree flips, and an SD card of 4GB. The drone's controller is very easy to use because it has markings on buttons, so it will help you remember about the button's functionalities. You can change speed modes, and if you press the flip button you will see some great actions. The camera is great. It is 2 megapixels and 720p HD, so you can enjoy the bird's eye perspective accompanied by the video quality of 1280 by 720p for capturing breathtaking moments. If you're looking for a drone with a reasonable price and a range of above 100 meters that will satisfy all your preferences and make you become more experienced, then this is the one you're looking for. Next up, at number 4 we have the Holystone SH110. Drones are nowadays really popular, and because of that there are many manufacturers producing them. This drone model has created a stir among the flying enthusiasts because of its impressive design and features. Holystone is one of the most popular manufacturers due to the fact that they make some of the best and most interesting drones in the market. This lightweight drone is perfect for everyone. It features a mobile controllability, 720p HD real-time camera, headless mode with one return home key, an altitude hold, fine battery, and an operation range of around 120 meters. Moreover, there is one 4GB SD card, phone holder, USB charger, and screwdriver for the drone and the blades. It performs wonderfully because it can be controlled easily with an app, allowing you to maneuver through your smartphone. The automatic altitude gives you the opportunity of letting go of your joystick, and this would make the drone still continue to hover at the same height at which the joystick has been left at in the first place. The headless mode is a huge advantage, because when your drone is connected to the remote control, the one landing button can be pressed, which would make it settle slowly and securely to the ground. It features a 6-axis gyro technology, so you can play several modes at the same time without any interference, and also offers extra stability for easy handling and 300-degree flips. You can do flips in different directions, such as forward, backward, left and right, and this adds more value to this beautiful device. The LED navigation lights paired with a remote control assist you in nighttime flying, so you won't have any problem with the orientation. Batteries are decent, so you can fly your drone for about 10 minutes, and it takes about 60 minutes to be fully charged. Overall, this is an amazing device that has some features that are not found in other drones. By being stable enough to raise your level of confidence and erase your worrying thoughts for crashing, that makes it a must for your shortlist. So if you are looking for an affordable drone which can do almost everything, you should definitely dig deeper into the HS110. Moving on, at number 3 we have the Force One U818A. This drone is perfect for beginners and those who are looking to practice before going on a more expensive aircraft. Due to its integrated pop guards, this model is also an excellent toy for children and is much safer to fly around people compared to other toy drones with fully exposed propellers. Its entire body and prop guards are made of very thin plastic, making it very light and capable of absorbing the impact very well. It comes fully equipped with a mini camera, 4 backup propellers, mini screwdriver, battery charger, and a USB connector for transferring your footage. The performance is really cool because it features a 360-degree eversion maneuver. When it reaches 10 feet or more in the air, just click on the 360-degree button and it can perform acrobatics such as an automatic flip in the air. Moreover, it has an HD camera for fantastic video and picture capturing moments, 6-axis gyro for easy stable control accompanied with high or low speed switch mode, flip mode, headless mode and one press return. The altitude control is very useful too, as it allows you to prevent it from flying into fences, buildings or similar things. The custom flight path allows you to chart out a route on your phone, making your drone fly without any assistance. But that's not all, it has small LED searchlights, one of them is blue at its front and the other is red at its rear, which help you in your orientation no matter if you're using it during the night or during the day. The camera is adequate enough to shoot or stream videos at maximum of 30 FPS, offering clear and detailed pictures with which you can be proud of. Overall, its durability makes it an excellent drone for both adults and children. The upgraded camera that produces 720p material is more than enough to convince you to dig deeper into it and maybe even purchase it. Moving on, at number 2 we have the Holystone F181C. Having the latest technologies in stabilization and anti-heating policies, this drone is superb even in toughest indoor or outdoor obstacles. Despite its low price, it is a very well-rounded package that includes features that are rarely seen at this price point. This drone is clothed in black with 2 pairs of LEDs underneath its probe extension. One shines red and it is positioned on the rear and blue on the front. They can also be shut off by using the remote, but this would affect the overall visibility. It also has a unique feature, a curvature at the top for cutting through the air better, and the body's frame is made from durable plastic which is quite resistant to crashes. It performs impressively due to the tons of features such as the altitude hold function, making this drone to keep hovering at the current height, making it able to shoot quality images and videos, and the key return and headless security system to give you stability and prevent you from losing the copter. The Holystone F181 camera is 2 megapixels, but it is able to record videos with 30 FPS or take photos of 720p resolution, and you can store your content on a default 2GB SD card which comes with the drone. It also features a 6-axis gyro technology, making it very stable while recording videos. It can also do 360-degree flips in 4 ways, left, right, forward and backward, while having a continuous roll for perfect action and superb performance. The controller is also very well made. It is divided into 2 parts, the upper part which is occupied by a small screen which produces a real-time in-flight information such as inclination, thrust or altitude, and on the left side you can find the 360-degree flip button and the camera or the video button. The drone's range is around 100 meters and it has a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. Overall, this drone has a special place in the drone market due to its flexibility, durability, extremely cheap price, while giving you superb maneuverability accompanied by quality photos and videos. You should definitely consider getting this monster because you will probably never regret it. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Holystone HS300. This drone has a great mix of features, making it a must-have for every type of pilot. It is very well made and it works impressively because of its quality and the camera capacity of recording in 1080p HD. The design is amazing, the body is smooth and made of quality materials, and because it is great on touch, you have the feeling of holding a really expensive drone. This aside, the long propellers grant you enormous flight stability. Because of the LED lights, this drone is very visible when it is in the air, no matter if it's during the day or during the night. When it comes to the performance, you are given the opportunity to enjoy headless mode, which stops you worrying about the orientation, and the altitude hold function, which keeps the drone very stable in the air when you want to capture some beautiful footage, so you can simply let go of the throttle stick and watch the drone hover in the air. Moreover, it also features 1K return function, or better known as return to home, allowing a safe landing. It features a 120-degree wide-angle 1080p camera, and this is probably the best camera in this price range. It allows you to capture high-quality video and really sharp images because it comes on a 2-axis gimbal that is adjustable based on your preferences. The 5-megapixel action camera also ensures that your videos are recorded in Full HD with 30 frames per second and stored immediately on the 4GB memory card. The remote controller has a typical box construction with basic controls. You can find the power button, forward and backward trim button, while underneath there are sets of fine-tuning movement controls on each side. Moreover, it includes a headless mode button, a one-touch landing button, return button, and the emergency stop button. It has a range of 150 meters, making it great for beginners who want to test their newly crafted skills. And in addition, you are given the opportunity to get used to its navigation requirements, allowing you to minimize the risk of crashing or losing it. The battery can last around 15 minutes and it takes around 200 minutes to be fully charged. Overall, this drone has outstanding performance, features and a camera. It is very easy to use no matter if you're a beginner or a pro, so if you really want to get a drone and you are on a budget, the Holystone ACH300 should be your answer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. You can find links to all these drones down in the description and the comment section below, so if you wanna find out more information and the most updated prices, go check out the links there. Also, if you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.